Hi everyone, Alex here with LACCS. We are in the project of Wooden Hills. This is the house that is Japanese California style. Behind me I have the kitchen. It's finished, so I want to show you the result. Right over here we have some beautiful custom cabinets with beautiful gold handles and this amazing stone that we got from Brazil. This stone is taking over the entire kitchen. This is like one of the main pieces that match pretty much the outside color of the stucco. If you look closely, color that match Venetian plaster outside, white oak, the green, the outside of the house. Everything here is pretty much a match. And this is this amazing island. When you get in the kitchen, this is the masterpiece, I will call it. You have lights, beautiful 3 lights on top of it. And right here, we have a touch activated faucet. So you turn on the water, simply touch it and stop the water to flow and put it back on. We have a fridge on that side, microwave. And there's one specific thing that I want to show you. The customer has some cat that she loves. We built for the cat a special dryer. We're gonna have the food, the water and all the stuff for the cat. Beautiful oven. We did plaster also on the hood. We have another faucet right here. Beautiful faucet. This is a full slab that we need to cut and make it custom, right? So you can see right here all the vein continue to the bottom. So we have backsplash and the countertop seamlessly attached together. It's really, really beautiful. And we did that everywhere. Even those small details, all this is aligned. Beautiful work. And we have a lot of storage right here, bottom too. Right here we have custom coffee cabinets with doors that goes in. Beautiful drawers. Everything here is custom. We will have the panel. So those are fridge that we have to put some wood panel on top of it. So it's going to be obviously the same panel that we have here, white oak. So this is in order. We're going to have panel here. So 2 doors, one here, and one on top that match the bottom that we open that way. And same thing here. This is another fridge, 1 panel on top and another panel on the bottom. So everything is going to be seamless. It is probably one of the most beautiful kitchen that we've done. Very proud of this kitchen. Hope you guys like it and see you guys on the next video.